So in this video, we're looking at 5 more examples of factorising quadratic expressions where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. So in our first example, 4x squared take away 4x take away 3, we need to multiply the 4 by the minus 3. So 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. We're looking for two numbers that multiply together to make minus 12, but add together to make the coefficient of x, which is minus 4. So because the product is negative, that means that one of the two numbers we're looking for must be negative, the other one's positive. So minus 6 and 2, that works out. So split the minus 4x up into minus 6x plus 2x. So 4x squared minus 6x plus 2x take away 3. Now split it up into two halves. So looking at the first half, we're going to factorise this. So we can factor out 2x, and then we'd have 2x take away 3 inside the bracket. And we know that we have to have the same bracket here, and so that's got to be plus 1. So one of the brackets is 2x take away 3, the other bracket is 2x plus 1. So we have 2x take away 3, 2x plus 1. Okay, so that's our first one. Right, number 2. We have 6x squared plus 17x plus 12. First of all, multiply the 6 by the 12. So 6 lots of 12 would be 72. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to make 72, but add together to make the coefficient of x, which is 17. So 6 and 12 don't quite work for us. So what else could it be? Now 36 times 2 is not going to work. 18 and 4 isn't going to work. What else is there? 9 and 8. 9 eighths are 72. 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, that works. So 6x squared plus 9x plus 8x plus 12. So factorise the first half. We're going to get 3x out the front and 2x plus 3. And then factoring out the 4 here, we're going to have 4 lots of 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 is one of the brackets, and 3x plus 4 is the second bracket. Okay, so that's my answer to number 2. Right then, number 3. 6x squared take away 11x take away 10. So first of all, multiply the 6 by the minus 10. So that's minus 60. So we want to multiply two numbers together to make minus 60, but add together to make minus 11. Okay, so one will have to be positive, the other negative to make minus 60. What have we got? Minus 6 and 5. Sorry, 6 and 10 aren't going to work. 12 and 5. They're not going to work. 15 and 4. That'll work, won't it? Minus 15 times 4 minus 15 plus 4. That works out. So 6x squared take away 15x plus 4x take away 10. Right, factorise the two halves. We'll get 3x times 2x take away 5, and then 2 lots of 2x take away 5. So our two brackets are 2x take away 5 and 3x plus 2. Okay. All right, number 4. 8x squared plus 6x plus 1. So first of all, multiply the 8 by the 1. So 8 times 1 is 8. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to make 8, but add together to make 6. And of course, that's 2 and 4. So 2 and 4. So 8x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 1. So factorise the 2 halves. We're going to get 2x lots of 4x plus 1, and then 1 lot of 4x plus 1. So we've got 4x plus 1 times by 2x plus 1. Okay, and we're done. Right, last one, number 5. We have 8x squared take away 22x plus 15. So multiply the 8 by the 15 first. So 8 times 15 is 120. So we need two numbers that multiply together to make 120, but add together to make minus 22. 12 and 10 minus 12. And minus 10. That'll do it. So we have 8x squared, take away 12x, take away 10x, plus 15. So factorise the first half, we're going to get 4x, 2x take away 3. And then we can factor out the minus 5 here and get 2x take away 3. So we have 2x take away 3. And 4x take away 5. So 4x take away 5, 2x take away 3. And that's my answer.